What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Craft YouTube channel. And today we're going to show you how to start a clothing business from start to finish. First, you're going to go to Canva to create your design. All right, you're going to type in the word t-shirt in the search bar to pull up design templates that you can use for your new brands. Next, choose one of the designs you like and begin to edit. I'm going with this design and I'm going to change it to grind 24/7. We're just going to use that as a sample just to show you guys the basis of how the process is going to work. And once done editing, you're going to hit the share button and go to download PNG file. Save the file to a folder, name it, and later we'll get back to this when it's time. Next, you're going to start your $1 a month Shopify store. This is great for beginners and cost efficient. Type in your email to start your free trial. Then from there, you just follow the steps and type in what type of store that you want to set up. And for this particular store, one of the key pieces of information that you need to select the type of store that you will be creating. Then after that, we're going to show you a hidden gem of how you're going to ship and produce your new products. It's called renterpress.com. You go to your site, select apparel. It's going to take you to the t-shirt design. Then you got to design your t-shirt, select the size, color that you want to use, and you will get to create these shirts for only $10.27. The main reason I choose this website over other dropshipper companies is because it offers free shipping and tax-free on all orders. I would send a shirt to an influencer or somebody who's popular just to get promo material. Then from there, just continue to post and spread the word about your brand to drive in sales. All right, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more.